What a month of November we are having. I want to thank each and every one of you who have been so supportive throughout the course of this month, especially those of you who have been helping in the sponsorship of Rhapsody Realities. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Use the details on the video and on the comment section and sponsor Rhapsody of Realities today. It's important that as we grow in life, that we maintain our confidence in the Word of God, that we are resolute about what the Word of God says and increase in our faith, that we don't go from faith and end up in the senses. We don't go from the spirit and end up in the flesh. Keep your trust in the Word of God. Today's Rhapsody Realities will show you how a king missed his way, and that way you know how not to miss your way. Have a great day, and God bless you.